Dear students, today my topic is some numerical is based on equation of motion. Today my topic is some numerical based on equations of motion. And dear students, all of you know very well the equations of motion. First equation of motion is v equal u plus at, and the second equation of motion is s equal ut plus 1 upon 2 at square, and third equation of motion is v square equal u square plus 2as. Our first numerical is, here is first numerical is, if a car is moving with a velocity of 20 meter per second and its acceleration be 5 meter per second square, then what will be its velocity after covering a distance of 50 meter? First one, you make a solution here, and just like a given that what are given in questions, and here is to find. First one, if a car is moving with a velocity of 20 meter per second, here initial velocity of the car is 20 meter per second. Initial velocity of the car is 20 meter per second, and initial velocity is indicated with u. Then initial velocity u equal 20 meter per second. Its acceleration be 5 meter per second square, and acceleration small a equal 5 meter per second square, and covering distance is 50 meter. Then the next topic is given distance equal to, distance is indicated small s here, then distance s equal to 50 meter, and to find final velocity equal to question mark. Final velocity equal to question mark. Which equations we are using here? We cannot use the equations of first equation and second equation because here small t is not given. So we are using the third equation of motion. So according to third equation of motion, and third equation of motion is v square equal u square plus 2as. Putting the all these values are given in our website. V square equal, here u is 20, then 20 a whole square plus 2 is are in using in formula, and acceleration is 5 into, and distance s is 50. When we are solving, v square equal to 20 square means 20 into 20 plus 52 is 100, and 100 5 times equal to 500. Then in the next line, v square equal to 20 into 20 equal to 400 plus 500. V square equal to 900. When we are removing the square this side, then taking the square root of right side. Then v equal to root 900, and then you got v equal to 30 meter per second. Square root of 900 is 30. Then v equal to 30 meter per second. To 30 meter per second. Hence the final velocity of the car is 30 meter per second. And next question is question second. A body is moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second. If its acceleration is 4 meter per second square, then find its velocity after 20 seconds. First one, you make a solution given that, and to find. Here initial velocity u equal 5 meter per second, and its acceleration is 4 meter per second square. Here acceleration small a equal to 4 meter per second square, and time is given 20 seconds. Then time small t equal to 20 seconds, and find the final velocity, then v equal to question mark. According to, maybe all things are using u, a, t and v are using in first equation of motion. So according to first equation of motion, First equation of motion is v equal u plus at. Putting all these values are given. V equal to u is 5 plus a is 4 meter per second square and t is 20. And v equal to 5 plus 4 into 20. And the next line v equal to 5 plus 24 is 80. And v equal to 5 plus 80. The next line v equal to 85 meter per second. Hence the final velocity of the body is 85 meter per second. Dear students, if any object free fall towards the earth or any object is moving from rest state, then initial velocity of this object is 0. Dear students, any object free fall towards the earth or any object are moving from rest state, then its initial velocity is 0. And any object is covering in a last time, maybe object is stopped or any object is stopped, then its final velocity is 0. Thank you.